Hey y'all, today we're going to be grilling up some chicken thighs in our Ninja Foodi Grill.
All while having a whole lot of fun.
Hey, will you be my girlfriend?
Oh my.
And definitely that chicken is done, and boy does it smell good. Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes with the good old boy. Another dish from recipes.crock.com, this hot chick's food blog. And today we're going to do something really quick and simple for Foodie Friday. And we have our new contraption, the Foodi Grill. And we've been kind of testing it out. I say we, I haven't got to play with it yet. She's been testing it out. I've been eating what she's been testing, and I've really liked it a lot.
So if you hear a lot of background noise, the grill is preheating right now. That is one of the things that it automatically does whenever you try to cook with the grill part of it. So what we're going to do today is just show you a super simple way to make grilled chicken. It's very similar to how we make grilled chicken out on our back deck grill. And so
except
we don't have to get cold.
Hey, look at this. It's raining outside, and I do all the grilling pretty much when it's outside grilling, and sugar melts.
I guess he does the grilling when it's raining outside.
Not anymore.
We were wondering how an indoor appliance would measure up to our outdoor grill. And I'll have to say, so far I've been really, really impressed. But let's go ahead and get this on here. So what you're going to want to do if you're doing this indoors or outside is you want to preheat your grill to a medium heat. And
this isn't like using like the Ninja Foodi, like the air fryer, where you could just put stuff in and then turn it on. Just like a normal grill, you're heating up those grates that are in there. You want to preheat this.
Yes. So whenever you look inside, it's going to shut off for us. You'll see that we have the bowl that comes, or the pan that comes inside. It's very hot. Be very careful. Be very careful. And we also have the grill component that's in there. So it's all preheated and very, very hot.
Very hot.
So what we've got here are about 6 to 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use any kind of boneless chicken. You're just going to have to adjust the time to make sure your chicken is done. So what we've done is we've just sprinkled this with a little bit of meat tenderizer because I was testing a package of chicken from the other day. And so I went ahead and seasoned everything at that time and just threw it in a bag and put it back in my fridge. So mine's already seasoned. You can season it with whatever you want. If you want a special difference sometimes to your chicken, you could even try some steak season. I like to season my chicken sometimes with steak seasoning. It just kind of gives it a different flavor. So as you can tell, this is really hot. We are going to place these the smooth side down first is what I typically like to do on my grill outside or my grill inside. It just makes it easier when we go to flip it later. So let's get this all going.
Hear that sizzle, y'all? That's a good preheat. Now, what I was worried about is, you know, when I'm grilling outside, there's usually a lot of smoke because, well, it's a grill.
Nope.
But this thing does not produce a lot of smoke. It doesn't produce any smoke that we've seen in the house, or else we wouldn't use it in the house, of course.
Now, if you were doing a big, big batch and you had lots of liquid and fat cooked down into the bottom, Foodi does suggest that you empty out the pan in between.
Yes.
You can
see the slots right there where it goes down into the
if you
pan.
deal with smoking. But I'll tell you what, I did bacon the other day, and then I just put that in and did chicken right after it, and I didn't have any smoking.
We're a non-smoking family.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid down, and we're going to cook this on 7 minutes on medium heat. It automatically went to 10 for me, so I'm going to take 7 minutes.
Just like you do on the grill outside?
Yep, we do 7 minutes. It's happy now. It's going to cook for 7 minutes, and we'll see you back, and we'll do a flip.
In 3, 2... I'm not that flexible.
3, 2, 1.
And we are back, and it is time to do a flip of the chicken. Okay.
Oh, did you see that pop up?
Yeah, be very careful.
Yep. So
that is sizzling.
Yep, you can see that it's made nice grill marks on it.
Check that out, y'all. Look at them grill marks.
All right, now.
Look at it. I want to show you guys too something. Look at those tongs she's using. Those have got a silicone liner on them.
Yes.
That's because you don't want to scratch this baby up.
Nope.
All right, so now we are just going to simply close the lid.
And we're going to put it on for another 7 minutes. This is when you need to get all your fixings ready for how you're going to eat your grilled chicken.
What kind of fixings do you use for your chickens?
So we'll see you back here in 3, 2, 1.
And we are back, and the chicken is done. The tongs are now washed because when you're turning chicken, it's raw chicken. And so, sorry, I'm flinging water everywhere.
Stop.
But you want to make sure and wash your tongs because, you know, chicken juices. So, this is what we come out with. I bring the camera over to show you, but really, it's grilled chicken. But
I think you need to bring in the camera.
Wait. Check that out. Not only did it give it grill marks, but when you flip that chicken over, it's kind of like an air fryer too, and it gives a nice, beautiful golden hue to that chicken.
And this is going to be super tender.
Look at that right there. Ooh, ow, 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 ow.
Stay back, Jack.
Can't remember if I told you all this or not, but that grill gets hot.
Okay, so the way that we enjoy eating grilled chicken over a salad, as a sandwich, just as it is. But one of the things that we like to do a lot, and you guys have seen us do with our grill while we RV, is we like to make lettuce wraps with them. And so the way that we do that is with some bell pepper. And then we like to get this butter lettuce that you can find in the salad area. It's like a little head of lettuce, and then you just pull off the leaves and wash them. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up some of this chicken so Mikey can start assembling him a wrap and go share it with you guys.
One thing I like about that Foodi Grill is that after the set time limit, it's just like any of the other appliances you have. If it's got a time limit, it will shut the grill off, where your gas grill won't do that. But you also want to make sure that you don't forget about it, because just because it shut off doesn't mean it cooled down right away.
It's still hot in there.
Of course, we know after 7 minutes that chicken's going to be done, but
super tender
slice that
and
baby
moist.
in there. Look at that juices coming out of there. Them juices coming out of there.
Yep.
And definitely that chicken is done, and boy does it smell good. And all I'm doing over here is I'm just going to take a few pieces of bell pepper. I'll put a little red in there too for color's sake. And I will take me a little bit of ranch dressing.
Or you could
Just
dip
a
it in it,
smidge.
either way.
You totally could. I like it doing it my way. It makes more of a mess.
So just take some of this chicken and go share it with the world.
Ooh, guess what, y'all?
It's hot.
It is very hot. Oh boy, does it smell good. And not once did I get wet. Cris did when I flung that water on her, but that's different.
Oh, you mean from the rain?
Uh-huh.
I'm a little...
Yeah, it's, like I said, y'all, sugar melts. Alright, before I get myself in trouble, let's go ahead and get some of this. So you got your...
Oh, I just now caught on.
You got your lettuce and your pepper and your chicken and your ranch.
Hey, baby. I've been sugar-free for 3 years. What do you think? Isn't it good?
It's messy.
That's your
my fault.
favorite. And you don't have to add a whole lot of anything to it.
No.
Now, for those of you who would rather cook chicken breast, you're just going to have to watch your time on it. I think the grill itself comes with specific specifications, especially it'll let you cook from frozen. But we wanted to try something that we cook all the time in our house just to kind of compare, and it cooked up just like it did on the grill. So I would suggest if you grill your chicken breast, it's going to take about the same amount of time.
Cons with this, it's small batch. You're not going to cook for 20 people at one time using a Foodi Grill, where you could do it with like a gas grill or a charcoal grill. But pros, it's raining outside and we got the same kind of chicken, the same flavor, the same time cooking that we would if we were doing it on our gas grill outside.
I would say the outside might even be just a little bit more crispier than our outside grill.
Yeah,
depending on
the inside one. Yeah, it did. It gave a golden skin on the outside, so there's a lot of flavor. There's a lot of good texture there. It wasn't smoky in here at all, and honestly, clean up is a breeze. Once that cools down, don't mess with it till it cools down. Trust me. Once it cools down, I'm gonna take those 2 pieces out of there, the grill unit and the pan. You can clear out the grease from the bottom and then wash it. I'm just telling them how it should be done.
No, you said you were going to do it.
I'll clean it up later.
Your favorite kind of appliance.
I suckered myself right into that job, didn't I?
Oh, if you guys like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to click subscribe down below and become a member of our slow cooking family around here.
Do it! And if you want to know as soon as we put up a new video, and we put them up all the time, click that little bell next to the subscribe button called the
ding-a-ling.
And once you click the ding-a-ling, it lets YouTube know that you want to see them videos as soon as they come out. But y'all, the most important thing that we urge you to do is to laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Lunchtime.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon